Pronunciation Pro.
Pronunciation Pro.
So we have the Pronunciation Pro course, which is all about the sounds and the rhythm of American English and teaching that. So you're very familiar with that. The end of last year, I introduced another course called the Confident ProMindset Course. And what that is more of mindset training around speaking English. Because I found that, yes, you can definitely build confidence by building the skill, but a lot of times my students struggled to feel confident to even speak up and practice enough to improve their pronunciation. And it's because they're afraid of making mistakes and afraid of the judgment of other people, or they're worried that, that they don't want to sound like they don't know what they're talking about. Or, there's a lot of kind of mindset that goes into speaking a second language, especially around native speakers, that really keep you from speaking up. And so you stay quiet, even though you're doing this training and working on your pronunciation and fluency and improving that way, there's still this element of, if you're still have that fear keeping you from speaking up, you're not going to progress as fast. Okay. So what I found over the years is we really have to address the mindset and the confidence in our minds to improve even faster and even more. So if you go into the Pronunciation Pro, log into your account, there is pro courses, and then you'll see the Pronunciation Pro course and you'll see the Confident ProMindset course. So if you go into there, there's actually 12 modules, 19 videos, and we go step by step through this process of learning how to train your mind in a way that will help you build confidence in yourself and overcome the fears that might be keeping you from speaking up. Okay? Because a lot of times my students will say, oh, when I speak like a native, then I'll speak up more, or then I'll feel confident to speak up more. And it doesn't really work that way. You don't become a concert pianist without playing the piano, right? You can't reach that level of mastery without practice. And so you can't wait until you're at mastery to speak up and practice. You have to speak up and practice to achieve mastery. Okay, so that is what we're really working on here.
Your voice is important and needs to be heard. If you're ready to speak English clearly and with greater confidence, I invite you to start your free 7-day trial at pronunciationpro.com.